Good day everyone, I'm excited to introduce the high-volume wonton and dumpling production line from Innawei Technology, a breakthrough in automated food production. This powerful machine is designed for efficiency and precision. Capable of producing anywhere from 4,800 to 1 million pieces per hour, it's perfect for large-scale food factories and can be customized to match different product sizes, shapes, and fillings. Made from durable stainless steel and equipped with smart control systems, it ensures hygienic, consistent, and high-speed production of wontons, dumplings, gyoza, samosas, and more from dough feeding to forming and packaging. With this production line, businesses can reduce labor costs, increase output, and maintain premium product quality all at once. At Innawei, we believe automation is the key to the future of food manufacturing. Upgrade your production today and move forward with innovation, quality, and reliability.